Award Farmer Moya Laina Malisi Nata Wafiafa. Lena Toyama Manfaro Tele Wafioma. Wafioma Tabusantele, Dr. Mabero Pati, Ya Awalu Saunoaga Autū, Ya Ilinea Fiafa.
Honored guests, esteemed faculty, beloved students, and fellow alumni. It is with great pride and heartfelt gratitude that I stand before you tonight to celebrate a monumental milestone in the history of this beloved institution, the 100th anniversary of Mary's Brothers Old Pupils Association. A century of excellence in education, a century of nutrition in young people's minds, and a century of making memories for so many people in Samoa. Mary's Brothers Primary has been a cornerstone for the countless lives who came through its classrooms of both secular and religious instructions. Many dreams were forged and fostered in the classrooms of Mary's. As a former student, I am deeply honored to be part of this celebration. Standing here tonight, I am flooded with memories of my own journey through these schools. The lessons I learned here, both inside and outside the classrooms, have helped shape my own life. Successes I have experienced are part and parcel of the teaching I received in this school. I have no doubts about that. At the FAO headquarters in Rome, Italy, very important nations and also the FAO conference was held there every year. On the 6th of June, 2015, I was unanimously voted into the chairmanship in this very important United Nations organization for the UN FAO conference. It was for the first time that someone from a small island country, or six, have won the chairmanship of the conference. As you know, these conferences are meetings like this in Samoa. The conference was in Rome, where the headquarters for the Catholic faith is also located. When I suggested a prayer before her, and after each day at the conference, the officials were nervous and say that many delegates might complain. Unfortunately for them, the Samoan minister has just accepted the chairmanship of the conference and is now sitting on the chair of the boss. And so each day, the whole conference, I started and ended with a prayer, an act that was never done before. Do you know the amazing thing about it, no one complained. Instead, several delegates thanked me, saying a prayer before and after each meeting of the conference. During my time in Rome, I was privileged to meet the Pope, an experience I will never forget. It was amazing. When I was shaking his hand, I fought back to this school, to the brothers who taught me here in my humble upbringing. Who would have thought and believed that a young boy with a modest beginning, raised on a small Pacific island in Samoa, and who attended a small Catholic primary school, would be shaking hands and have a wonderful meeting and conversation with Pope Francis. He is every church in the world. Marriage Brothers is more than just a school. It is a community, a family, even for those of us who are not Catholics. It is a place where values are instilled, where potential is recognized and nurtured, and where each student is strive for excellence. The brothers who have taught us about maths and English also taught us to be compassionate, responsible, and about serving our community. Over the past century, the school has evolved, adapted, always striving to provide the best for its students. But one thing that has been evident is that although there was embraced change, it was held fast to its core values and traditions. We honor the past, celebrate the present, and look forward with hope and excitement to the future. Today, as we gather to celebrate this remarkable milestone, we also honor the dedication and hard work of the brothers who taught us here in the past, as well as the current teachers, administrators, and other staff who have contributed to the school's success. Their unwavering commitment to education and their passion to teaching have been the foundation upon which this school stands. Let us also acknowledge the students, past and present, who have brought pride to Marist Brothers with their achievements and contributions to society. As we reflect on the past 100 years, let us also look forward and look ahead to the future with optimism and determination. The world is changing rapidly, and the role of education has never been more important. I pray that God continues to bless the Marist Brothers and bless this institution with many, many more years of preparing future generations face the challenges of tomorrow with faith, confidence, and integrity. In closing, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the Marist Brothers for the incredible mark it has left on my life and the lives of so many others. I will now ask if you would be kind enough to stand up, and I will propose a toast for the Marist Brothers World Mutual Association. Please stand up. I will call it professing our Lord Aditya, Ladies and gentlemen, my pleasure to say this right now, propose a toast to show of thanks to the President and his committee, and also a very successful year this year for all of us. The year is to a memory of success and to many more years of growth, learning, and achievement. Dear Manuia,